latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you are watching News9 Digital with me, Amrita, and I'm going to be speaking about the rising tensions between the United States and China. Now, US in the recent has demanded the closure of a Chinese consulate in Houston. Now, this particular demand comes right after Donald Trump, the United States President, referred to the coronavirus once again as the Chinese virus and also accused Beijing of letting the virus loose in the world, trying to sabotage the US economy. Also, the US State Department accused China of carrying out massive illegal spying through these consulates. Now, some people also suggested that they saw a fire at the Houston Chinese consulate. Purportedly, the officials over there burning documents related to US and China relations. Now, these kind of steps and measures are being taken by the United States lately in the past few months. So let us take a quick brief over what all were these measures that were taken against China by the United States. So the first and foremost happens to be the South China Sea and what's happening there. The United States has in the latest taken a very hard and stringent stance against China in the South China Sea disputed region, even calling China's claim in the disputed region as illegal. The US also carried out several Navy drills in the South China Sea as well, which was seen as a massive provocation against China. Other than South China Sea, there is the issue of Hong Kong, which is also on the minds of US as well as several other countries. Now, the Trump administration entered Hong Kong's preferential trade status. However, they have done very little for the people of Hong Kong itself. So there is no word yet on whether US will suspend the Hong Kong extradition law or not. Moreover, recently the proposal to grant Hong Kongers political asylum in the United States was also left out of the defense bill. Another issue which has become a thorn between the US-China relations is the Xinjiang and Uyghur Muslim treatment in China. So this particular issue pertains to China's treatment of the minority Muslims in the country's western region, that is Xinjiang. US has levied sanctions on several Chinese officials, companies and institutions over human rights violations. Moreover, several imported products from China were also seized at US customs over forced labor accusations. Now, the next concern is Huawei, TikTok and other Chinese companies. Now, the United States has been leading a lobby with all of its allies against banning of Huawei from the 5G race across the world. It is also discussing the issues pertaining to TikTok and national security in the United States as well. Just recently, during State Secretary Mike Pompeo's visit to the United Kingdom, Mike Pompeo praised the UK for deciding to keep Huawei out of the 5G race in the country. It is also trying to convince all of its other allies to do the same. Now, the next issue that pertains to US-China relations is Chinese media and the students in the US who have also faced the brunt of these souring relations. So, US has listed several Chinese media outlets as foreign missionaries or propaganda outlets, and also has capped on the presence and the function of the media outlet journalists in several parts of the United States. The US has also targeted Chinese students who are studying in the US or who might come to study in the US in the future, especially with regards to those with links with the Chinese PLA. There are several visa restrictions that have also been announced. Now, the United States is creating what is called a coalition of countries against China and lobbying to get its allies to shun trade relations as well as Chinese companies like Huawei, in a strong retort to China for its bullying and expansionist regime. Mike Pompeo also met several other EU leaders during his visit to the European nations as well. But it doesn't just end at words or lobbying, but also hilarious tweets, just like this one, which was put up by Mike Pompeo with an image of his dog playing with stuffed toys, including the Winnie the Pooh character, which is seen as an indirect jibe at the Chinese President Xi Jinping. You can leave your opinion in the comment section down below of what you think of this souring US-China relations. Also like, share and subscribe to News 9 Digital.